case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2018, a critical title in the case was heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit that centered on the responsibility of universities to prevent and respond to incidents of sexual harassment and discrimination, both in person and online. The case, Feminist Majority Found v. Hurley, tested the enveloping parameters of Title IX and brought to light the various ways in which a university can fail in its duty towards a safe campus environment. The lawsuit was launched by the Feminist Majority Foundation and Feminists United on campus against the University of Mary Washington, UMW, and its former president, Dr. Richard Hurley. They claimed retaliatory harassment and indifference following a series of threatening and violent Yik Yak posts towards Feminists United members after the UMW men's rugby team performed a chant promoting violence against women. The court, in dissecting this case, placed UMW squarely in the driver's seat by acknowledging that the university had the power to alter the hostile environment in question. It could have conducted actions such as blocking Yik Yak access, identifying and penalizing those who posted the threatening messages, and instituting a wider anti-sexual harassment training program. Crucially, the court highlighted that the university could have taken these extensive steps without violating First Amendment rights, categorizing threatening speech as unprotected by the Constitution. While the court did acknowledge the university's capacity to create safer spaces for students, the bench also found UMW's former president, Dr. Richard Hurley, guilty of deliberate indifference towards the allegations of harassment. However, the court somewhat softened this blow by providing Hurley with qualified immunity, pointing out that the equal protection right to be free from university administrators' indifference towards student-on-student harassment was not clearly established during his tenure. The court's opinion upheld the dismissal of certain claims by the lower court and further dismissed the retaliation claim against UMW and President Hurley owing to the lawsuit's inadequacy to meet the minimum pleading standards. But it did not completely rule in favor of the defendants, allowing the Title IX sex discrimination claim and the retaliation claim to proceed. This signaled that a university's failure to step in and curb harassment can lead to serious repercussions, illuminating the need for institutions to exercise their power and create a safer campus environment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.